प्रेम प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा।
ये डायलॉग राज कपूर की तरफ से आया था।
I think he took it from the James Bond. My name is James Bond. Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister at that time. He said, I'm coming for 10 minutes, sir. I have to go somewhere. He could not get up from that. See. He saw the whole picture and I was crying.
Today's patriotic films are very different from Manoj Kumar's stable.
At that time, it was original. I was very afraid of plane, Manoj Kumar. Now, he never used to fly. On the train, he wrote the whole screenplay, everything of Upukar.
राजेश खन्ना, उनका जब थोड़ी गाड़ी स्लो हो गई, जब बच्चन आ गए थे,
I could feel that it's difficult for him to digest failure.
करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, लेकिन एनिमल में एक्चुअली रोल आपका 7-8 सीन्स थे
जी,
लेकिन हमने देखे तो शायद 2 या 3।
उसकी वजह ये थी कि एनिमल टू बी मेड इन 3 hours. It was actually very lengthy film was made, 4.5 hours. So myself, Amitabh Bachchan and Shashi Kapoor in the same room out of the backup. So बात करते करते बातचीत करते करते मजाक करते 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 अचानक किसी ने पर्दा खोला तो लगा सुबह हो गई. You see, in those days, people, it was not in pictures made in isolation. This used to be group activity. आजकल तो या काम किया सीधा वैन में चले गए. It's more of materialistic. At that time, it was pictures made in passion. Have to make the people aware that don't be slave to these English people forever. Rise up and do something for yourself and for your country. मैं वो बला हूँ जो पत्थर से शीशे को तोड़ता हूँ. तो मैंने कहा यार ये बड़ा यूनिट पत्थर से तो शीशे टूटता ही है, तो ऐसे करो तो मैं वो बला हूँ जो शीशे से पत्थर को तोड़ता हूँ, ज़्यादा कभी नापन लगेगा. वो
इतना फेमस हो गया था डायलॉग, जब आपने पहली बार उल्टा बोला डायलॉग तो मैं आपको रोकने वाला था, शायद आप गलत बोल रहे हैं. द विक्की लालवानी शो पर आज एक ऐसी हस्ती हैं जिनको बिल्कुल इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन एक बात जरूर है कि उनका बेस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन वो खुद ही देते हैं.
प्रेम प्रेम नाम है मेरा, प्रेम चोपड़ा.
सर, आप 380 फिल्म्स, 400, I'm sorry, 460 years, more than 60 years.
More than 60 years, yes, still working. A lot of offers are still coming, but I am not physically enough fit because my God does that.
तो एनिमल जो आपने की उसके बाद आप नहीं करोगे?
उसके बाद एक विवेक अग्निहोत्री जिसने कश्मीर फाइल्स बनाई थी, उसने एक कॉमेडी टाइप की बना रहा है, अनूप मुखेर एंड सतीश कौशल. तो गेस्ट अच्छी स्पेशल गेस्ट अपीयरेंस की. वो
शूटिंग कंप्लीट हो गई है?
वो कंप्लीट हो गई है. कुछ सतीश कौशल बेचारा चला गया, कुछ पोर्शन उनके रह गए होंगे को. That I'm not in touch with them.
हम सबके बारे में बात करेंगे सर. शुरू करते हैं आपके बचपन से. आप बॉम्बे आ गए, आपके पेरेंट्स को इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा कि आप एक्टर बनने चले हो. डैड चाहते थे कि आप डॉक्टर बनिए, IAS ऑफिसर बनिए. क्या हो रहा था घर पर और आपने कैसे वो डिसीजन लिया?
क्या है कि मैं ये मुझे शौक़ जो फिल्मों में आने का हुआ, शिमला में काफ़ी थिएटर्स हैं, ड्रामा थिएटर्स. तो वहाँ काफ़ी ड्रामे होते हैं. तो आई वॉज participating in one drama and the other people will come to me to star in their drama also. So that encouraged. Then there was intercollegiate dramatic competition where I won the Best Actor Award. So ये जो सबने कहना शुरू कर दिया यार कोशिश करो तुम्हारा चांस है उधर. मैंने कहा बाप को कौन बताएगा भाई, उन्होंने तो उन्होंने कुछ और उम्मीदें बना रखी. तो फिर एक दफ़ा फादर ने कहा कि भाई तुम डॉक्टर या IAS करो, ये बड़ी अनसर्टन लाइन है, पता नहीं काम होगा कि नहीं होगा। तो मैंने कहा मैं कोशिश तो करता हूँ ज़रा एक दफ़ा, नहीं हुआ तो वापस आ जाएंगे। But he made it very clear that I've got a big family, five sons and daughter. And I'm a government officer. I can't send you money. You have to go, and Bombay is a land of opportunity. You might get something to do for it. Take a job first, or try for a job first, and then you keep on trying side by side. So I did very odd jobs also, odd offices. Siemens Employment Office एक और किया। उसके बाद टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में I became circulation department. So that was quite a comfortable job where I could not starve. I could stay. And during I was there for 4 years. In 4 years, I was struggling, and at the same time, I started doing some films also. I got some films too. And then how this thing is going on.
पहली फिल्म कौन सी थी जो आपको ऑफर हुई?
हाँ, मुझे ऑफर हुई थी, पंजाबी पिक्चर थी, चौधरी करनैल सिंह. That is, I was spotted there. When I used to go during lunchtime from British station, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया जहाँ है, सीधा ट्रेन पकड़ कर जाते थे, कहाँ महालक्ष्मी या कहीं और. तो उस स्टेशन में एक आदमी ने मुझे मिला, कहते आप वांट टू बी एन एक्टर ना? Yes, I said I want to have a break, but I have not been very lucky to get any break. Can you come with me? I said okay. Where to be? Ranji Studio. तो रास्ते में उसने बताया मुझे कि ये एक पंजाबी पिक्चर है, and they're looking out for the hero of the picture. तो I said यार, अच्छा सोचा मैंने. तो मैंने कहा यार चलो ट्राई करते हैं, कहीं शुरुआत तो करें. So that's how I went there. They said this is a boy I like, and we did that show, which was a big hit, national award winner. उसके बाद तो आपको मालूम ही है, कमर्शियल एक हिट हो जाए किसी हीरो की तो कितनी पिक्चरें उसको मिल जाती. तो पंजाबी पिक्चर मुझे बहुत सी मिली. और फिर महबूब खान ने उस दौरान में मुझे, मेरी मुलाकात उनसे हुई. उन्होंने कहा देखो कुछ और चीज़ गलत नहीं करना, मैं तुझे चांस देने वाला हूँ
एज ए हीरो.
अच्छा, उसके बाद उन्होंने साहब ये पिक्चर बनाई थी, उसी को रिलीज की थी ना, राजेंद्र कुमार, सुनील दत्त और वो राजकुमार साहब. तो वो उस वक्त तो मुझे कहते थे कहाँ करते हो? मैं कहा जो मैं इस टाइम से काम करता हूँ. अच्छा तो शाम को तो फ्री हो ना? हाँ, तो आगे बैठ जाया करो, दूर बोले बैठ. तो उसी शाम को मजलिस रखती थी उनकी, लेकिन वो बहुत तबीयत बहुत ख़राब थी उनकी. खैर वो एक पिक्चर और मैंने की, उस फिल्म का नाम था वो कौन थी,
1964, राज खोसला.
Yeah. And it was a suspense picture. I was the suspense of the whole film. So it was not a big role, but it was a very impacted role. So coincidentally, I was working in his studio for a Punjabi film. He came in the set because he was a chief guest in the Metro Cinema in that picture, Bhagwanti में. मिलने आया मुझे. चला मैंने तो बोला ना नहीं करना था कुछ, अब तुम विलन का रोल कर दिया, का पिक्चर बहुत कामयाब है, तो विलन बन गया.
अभी टाइप कास्ट हो जाओगे.
हाँ,
छाप लग गई.
ये शुरू हो जाए. उसके बाद एक दो पिक्चर मैंने हिंदी की, बस और हीरो चली नहीं वो.
एज ए हीरो
मैं शादी करने चला या वैसे आउट ऑफ I could take out, but did not give up my job. I kept the job on.
That was very sensible on your part.
Yes, because if I wouldn't have, it's just possible it might have not find a footing in this industry. It was not as now. It was in those days. It was very difficult to get a break in, because here you have television, OTT, those things were not there.
और डैडी के साथ घर पर रिलेशंस
I
अच्छे थे?
know, फर्स्ट क्लास में जो उन्होंने कहा कि भाई तुमने शौक पूरा कर लिया है, करते रहो, काम करते रहो, देखो कामयाब होना चाहिए, क्योंकि पंजाबी पिक्चर तो बहुत लिमिटेड स्कोप होता था उन दिनों में, लिमिटेड बजट होता था। अभी तो खैर बजट उनका भी हिंदी पिक्चरों के चाहिए। So that happened like that, and I got the तीसरी मंजिल, सगाई, S.D. Narang, the picture you see, S.D. Narang had a press conference and introduced me. Then this gentleman, Prem Chopra, is going to be my hero in the next 3 pictures. Find me for the वो खुद ही बेचारे जिंदगी से परेशान थे, तो पिक्चर उनकी चली कोई नहीं थी, तो खैर वो मटेरियलाइज नहीं हुई।
तीनों में से कोई भी मटेरियलाइज नहीं हुई?
पिक्चर शुरू नहीं हो गई। मैंने उनके पिक्चर में काम किया था, सगाई, विश्वजीत भी था, उसको पसंद आ गया भाई इनको हीरो लिया जाए। That's how the things take place everywhere in the industry, all over the world.
Yeah. So वो कौन थी मैं you met someone who became your best friend?
मनोज कुमार।
मनोज कुमार। ये दोस्ती कैसे बननी शुरू हुई, किस हद तक गई? आप लोग inseparable थे?
Yes, definitely. वो you see, Manoj Kumar was the hero of the picture Bogondi, but he was not having any airs about it that he is a hero. He noticed me, and at that time he had not started pictures as a hero, but was not director. So later on, little after, he made a film, Shaheed. उसने मुझे कास्ट किया सुखदेव के रोल में, and that picture became a talk of the town, because in those days it was very recent happenings, like Bhagat Singh or Sukhdev or Rajguru फांसी पर चढ़ाए गए थे, but our job, our ambition was, we were all patriotic, total patriotic. We have to make the people aware that don't be slave to these English people forever. Rise up and do something for yourself and for your country. So that of course succeeded to some extent, and there were a lot of receptions for that. Manoj Kumar was a great guy, not as a friend but as a filmmaker, because he had the ability to write his own stories, or he would take a subject from the original stories and made a story out of it. We remember we were there in Shaheed. Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister at that time. He said, I'm coming for 10 minutes, sir, I have to go somewhere. Naturally, so I बैठे, तो वहीं बैठे रहे, he could not get up from that. He saw the whole picture and I was crying. He said, yeah, very good film, but I want you to make a film like Kasan and Sipahi. He thought he was very afraid of plane. Manoj Kumar never used to fly. So on the train he wrote the whole screenplay, everything of Upkar. And Upkar जब शुरू हुई तो I was there as his brother. That picture became a big hit, super hit. सुबह लगातार शुरू हो गई. Then we got used to each other. He got used to me. I got used to him. And every film I was there. And as you know, the whole history of Manoj Kumar was one of. He was used to write his own scripts, his own, most of the time, his own dialogues, his lyrics. Camera work also he used to do sometimes.
ऐसी कुछ फिल्में हैं उनकी जिनमें वो डायरेक्टर नहीं थे, दूसरे पर्सनालिटीज डायरेक्टर थे,
Yeah.
लेकिन उन्होंने घोस्ट डायरेक्ट की.
वो बेईमान एक पिक्चर थी, यादगार पिक्चर थी. प्रोड्यूसर और थे, 10 नंबरी थी. There was other producers, but when he was taken up, those people were novice totally. So he used to take up the whole thing. But he never gave his name
हाँ,
to that film. Gave his name, but they had an understanding of relation between them. And all those pictures are big hits too.
big hits.
Those people became rich people. And but you see, the surprising thing about Manoj Kumar was, recently I met some people like a man without legs and a man without arms. I said, what happened? They said, we lost these things during the Kargil war. And but of course they were medically given those artificial limbs. I said, is it? I said, how do you feel about it? He said, miserable, they said. I said, is it? He says, we feel miserable because we are not allowed to go in the front to fight with the enemy, to kill them. Because in this position we can't go, they won't take us. If this subject should have, after Manoj Kumar, if this subject, I told him, this is what has happened. He made a story out of it and make a very patriotic film.
And emotional as well.
Very emotional, and he has a little knack of making a picture for showing the positive side of the nation. There was examples they has done it so many times, and every picture of his had sort of a central character like this.
Today's patriotic films are very different from what we saw from Manoj Kumar's stable.
At that time it was original. Later on the people started, when the picture becomes a hit, so other people started following the trend of making films. But nowadays, of course, patriotic films are, even if they're made, they're not accepted. Because people are looking, present cinema is different.
No, I want to say here that they are too loud. Unlike Manoj Kumar, who made the films as they were and with a lot of emotion.
Yeah, they were.
तो वो आजकल मिसिंग है, क्या आप एग्री करते हैं?
आजकल देखिए पिक्चरें डिफरेंट किस्म की बनती हैं. आजकल तुम्हारे स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स और ये इफेक्ट्स हैं. So they make a film of different level. But yeah, it's a different era. This is a different era, यार.
आपने एनिमल में भी काम किया.
जी.
वो भी एक्चुअली सॉर्ट ऑफ एक लाउड फिल्म थी.
Yes.
वेरी वायलेंट.
Very violent.
कैसा लगा आपको वो रोल में?
I was having over 2-3 days work there, but the role became so popular. It became the role became very, very popular because the picture was super duper hit. There are many offers like that now, but now you see, I don't get that sort of characters.
Which excite you?
Which is really central characters, which must be exciting about doing it. So I keep on getting offers, but I physically not able to do so many films because I like to sort of take it easy now.
करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, लेकिन एनिमल में एक्चुअली रोल आपका काफी था।
हाँ
कुछ
यस
7-8 सीन्स थे,
जी,
लेकिन हमने देखे तो शायद 2 या 3।
2-3 सीन थे। उसकी वजह ये थी कि एनिमल was made to be made in 3 hours. It was actually very lengthy film was made, 4.5 hours. Even Ranveer Kapoor's some of the scenes popped up too. But everybody was there in their place. Ranveer did such a good job. And so it's other actors like Bobby and all that, they were very good. They're good actors. Times have changed now.
We also lost somebody recently, one of your close friends again, Dharamji.
Yeah,
You were very close to him.
very close. We became very close to each other later on.
Any particular film where you all got the bond going?
No, because we were doing together a lot of films. We had a lot of affinity with each other. And he was a very nice guy, a clean guy. It's very interesting. There were one film in Madras we were doing, Qeemat. And one character was this game. I'm a Don, big Don, and there are my commandos are there. And Kuttar and I'm 5 dogs on this side, 5 dogs on this side. लटा के रखा हुआ उन्होंने। तो मैं बड़े menacingly I tell those guys, ये तुम लोगों का आखिरी वक्त है, बता दो कि खजाना कहाँ है। तो मैं उसका लाफ्टर करता हूँ। तो वो जब बैठे हुए थे, वो सोते हुए तो ठीक लग रहे थे। वो जब मैं बोला हंसा तो वो सब उठ के मेरे तरफ देखने लगे, क्या बात है भाई, उनको ये। और मैंने कहा यार कहाँ गए बाकी लोग, मेरे मैं चीज़ों पर बहुत बोलते थे हम आपको बहुत वफादार है, वो गए बाहर बैठे अटैक।
Rekha was there in that film.
And they sort of, anyway, this trainer was there, we had to do that shot. The trainer shot them.
जब मनोज जी की डेथ हुई, इनफैक्ट वी आर कंप्लीटिंग ऑलमोस्ट 1 year as we speak, तो आप कहाँ थे उस वक्त और एग्जैक्टली क्या हुआ?
I was in Bombay. I used to go out, what I was in Bombay in those days. He has been suffering for the last 10 years. That's what Kunal told me also. He was in and out of the hospital most of the time. And he's suffering. So that is what is upsetting the whole thing, because for him to stay in this position, because he's such a creative man, because he was a homeopathic doctor himself, so he could prolong his life. That's what Kunal told me. Because otherwise doctors had told him, but it's not more than 3 months or 6 months.
10 years ago?
He won't stay. But he's prolonged. But in the meantime, I believe he had to suffer a lot. He was a very private person. He wouldn't meet people like that. But he was a very studious sort of homeopathy doctor. He had a qualification of a doctor. People used to call him Dr. Manoj Kumar.
Did you go to see him anytime
Yes,
in the last 10 years?
Of course. Last 10 years I met him. At that time he was all right.
You used to go to his house in Juhu?
House I used to go very less, because you have to go there when you're invited there. You just can't go to the houses like that. So he was, I told you, he wanted to be alone by himself. His wife Shashiji was very strict that you should take rest. Don't invite people. So many people want to be meeting you.
तो कहाँ मिले आप लोग?
जब डेथ हुई उनकी, when he died, he was absolutely like a vegetable in the hospital.
You had been there?
Met him when he died. When I saw him when he died, so it was very shocking, but also expected. As if only family members had also no hopes in him, and they have accepted the fact that he is going to be no more.
Moving on to Rajesh Khanna, sir, your favorite hero. I think 20 films, 30 films with him.
30 films.
And 80 to 90% of those films were super hits.
Yes.
And distributors were telling him कि हीरोइन कोई भी हो, मुमताज हो, हेमा मालिनी हो, आशा पारेख हो, लेकिन प्रेम चोपड़ा होना चाहिए.
After cutting of them. After cutting of them. That,
ऐसा क्या था खास इक्वेशन दोनों का?
बड़ा अच्छा रहा. We used to discuss those. You see, in those days, when we were working, people, it was not in pictures made in isolation. This used to be group activity. So when we discuss before going on the floor or before starting a film, we'll discuss it each other. Now, what should be the format of it? And the director will sit quietly and watch them. Yeah, what is good? After all, director is the captain of the ship. But if he likes something positive, he'll take it up and blend it with the subject that he's taking. Because अब आजकल तो यह काम किया सीधा वैन में चले गए. They are going to be isolated in that way. It's more of materialistic. At that time, it was pictures made in passion. I remember Manoj Kumar. Manoj Kumar, Raj Kapoor, they would put their last shirt even to make a film. They may not be very generous with money to the artists because artists wanted to work with them. But they were very passionate about making the film.
राज कपूर ने आपको जो बॉबी में डायलॉग दिया उसकी तो बात हम करने ही वाले हैं एज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. बट बिफोर दैट, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, बट Raj Kapoor's wife, Krishna ji, was keen that her sister, Uma ji, should marry you.
Well, there was a suggestion that it took me 1 year to decide.
Why?
Because I was not prepared for my marriage. Raj Kapoor साहब भी मिले मुझे plane में, we were traveling together. He said, "Why don't you get married? She's a nice girl." Then started thinking that my father was there, my brother was there, Kailash Chopra, the whole elder was mine. The start says you're stupid. You will get entangled with some wrong persons, so it's better you go to the family girl. So that is how things started going on. Though they were trying for different characters, but Krishna ji had her eyes on me. So when they saw this proposition, they liked it. It's a good plus thing and a good offer. You should accept it. They convinced me. I said, all right, let me try. So that's how things got going.
And you have had a wonderful journey with Uma ji.
Yes. We were together at this time. I tell you, Vicky, you had lovely time. Very matter you had working also with but the most important time is now, when you need each other more than anything else.
Correct.
When you become at the retiring stage, so but what do? But some people are not able to adjust that thing, but I have adjusted, and I'm very happy about it.
Bobby, you were very keen to work with Rajji, but even the fact that you were related to him didn't lead you to his door and say, नहीं मुझे पिक्चर करनी है आपके साथ. ऐसा क्यों, आप हिचकिचा क्यों रहे थे?
No, I was very hesitant because I already had pictures done with Manoj Kumar, Dharminder, whoever the present hero was in Madras, I was already established as a star. So one day we were there, he used to casually say, yeah, I got a role for you, I want you to do it. I said, wonderful, yaar, who everybody's so keen to do it. So then he said, like this, and it is a guest appearance. And then I thought in my mind, yeah, I'm doing pictures with Dilip Kumar and all that. I told him, yeah, he's a guest appearance. So, हम लोग पेपर में से to do our film also. And the special appearance दीजिए आप. So I couldn't refuse because my relations became very good with certain people. So, but he said, I don't know anything about it. I want you to do it. He said, yes. Then I said, yes, I will do it. तो साहब ये मैं और क्या होता था कि जब भी मिलते थे, he was a genius of course. तो जब भी पार्टी वार्टी मिलते थे, ड्रंक होते थे, उनको पूछा राजी मेरा रोल क्या है यार, कुछ स्क्रिप्ट वगैरह, let you know. तो रात को तो खैर उनको बहुत पूछने बेकार होते थे कि हमें वो टाइम मिलता था उनको पार्टी वार्टी मिलने का. But reached that location, shooting in Pune. Even then I was asking him, he says, now listen, your role has one dialogue in the whole picture. You have to say your name in the picture. Prem naam hai mera, Prem Chopra. And that time I was established. So they didn't have to explain why he is doing it. People knew that he will do some garbad.
कि ये डायलॉग राज कपूर की तरफ से आया था या आपकी तरफ से आया था?
नहीं, ये तो मुझे पता नहीं था क्या बोलना है. He said it. I think he took it from the cue from the James Bond. My name is James Bond.
अच्छा.
वही उसका भी बड़ा पॉपुलर हुआ था. So, but it was done by the hero, Sean Connery. But this was done by me because I'm an established negative character. It was from him. But you will be surprised. We had a premiere in Delhi Regal Cinema because the picture was good. But when I come on the screen towards the climax and all that, the people only remember this when you go out in the theater.
Yeah.
And they were talking to each other. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम प्रेम चोपड़ा है.
Bobby, we saw it some 8-10 times, and every time we were just waiting for that scene. कि वो ट्रक के वहाँ.
Yeah. So it used to be, there were a lot of clappings. And एक दो जगह मैं जा नहीं सका प्रीमियर के लिए, तो there was a clamor, where is प्रेम चोपड़ा? Otherwise, तो वो राज्य खुद ही बोल देते थे. Prem naam mera, Prem Chopra.
Anything else about Raji you remember? He was so fond of parties and he was related to you.
Yeah.
तो आपके यहाँ भी parties होती थी?
Yeah, I used to have very good get together here. Everybody, Amitabh Bachchan or Raji, Joseph Abdali Kumar also. We are collection of people over there.
सब लोग यहाँ आते थे.
आते थे. I used to go to their parties. They used to go. At that time I was established. I could afford to have big parties.
तो दूसरे दिन शूटिंग होती थी या?
शूटिंग होती थी.
अच्छा, तो रात तक
नहीं,
आप लोग खा पी रहे हैं?
और खाने का नेक्स्ट डे शूटिंग है. But I used to reach on time. There used to be when we were making to shoot and in Delhi. So myself, Amitabh Bachchan and Shashi Kapoor in the same room after the backup. So we had a couple of drinks, let's have drinks together. Amitabh के उसमें बैठे थे, स्वीट में. तो बात करते बातचीत करते मजाक करते अचानक किसी ने पर्दा खोला तो लगा सुबह हो गई. राज करते रहे. And the shooting was to take place at 9 o'clock. And आउटडोर में तो लेट नहीं होते ना. Amitabh, of course, was so punctual and he was there. I was there too. Shashikul was there. They're all punctual actors were there. So we were all there and we were shooting.
आपको पता है 2 अनजाने में पेपर्स ने लिखा था कि प्रेम चोपड़ा इज एज गुड एज द हीरो इन द फिल्म बिकॉज ही इज पेयर्ड ऑपोजिट रेखा.
Yeah. That was very...
Because you had the romantic angle with her.
Yeah. I was... It was a different sort of angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he might be being my best friend, I had my intentions towards his wife. So that screenplay was good, and the film was made nicely. That's the things for me.
But it was done in such a classy way. ऐसा कुछ लेचेरियस उसमें नहीं दिखाया था, ऐसा कुछ बदतमीजी नहीं दिखाई थी.
नहीं, मत दिखाया, कुछ नहीं. It depends on the, you see, it all depends on the director, how he makes it. And secondly, it depends on the actors, how they perform their character.
Yeah.
Whether they perform their character or they're acting only. So in in such pictures like this, if you do your character instead of actor, so then you keep on going. Your profession keeps on going ahead.
त्रिशूल की आपने बात की, वो त्रिशूल की सीन मुझे याद है जब अमिताभ बच्चन पहली बार आपके पास आते हैं वो पेपर्स लेके, और आप ऐसा पेपर्स फेंकते हैं और कहते हैं पेपर्स तो ठीक हैं. एंड देन द वे यू आस्क हिम, माधव सिंह जमीन खाली कर देगा, इतने स्टाइल से. वो स्टाइल जो आपका था, जो आप कई बार कहते थे वगैरह वगैरह, आप बोलते थे आई सी, ये सब बहुत ही पेटेंट डायलॉग्स थे. ये आपने खुद
वन लाइनर्स
बनाए थे.
Once after Bobby, people started thinking of me during the role. One liner देना चाहिए प्रेम चोपड़ा. As I told you, the films were not made in isolation.
Yeah.
It was group activity. So when this picture, Sautan, came to me, so they said, the writer said, we have written a dialogue, मैं वो बड़ा हूँ जो पत्थर से शीशे को तोड़ता हूँ. तो मैंने कहा यार ये बड़ा यूनिट पत्थर से तो शीशे टूटता ही है, तो ऐसे करो, तो मैं वो बड़ा हूँ जो शीशे से पत्थर को तोड़ता हूँ, ज़्यादा कमीनापन लगेगा. So that was, they were accepted. As I told you, people liked it, and they became also very popular. So like that, many other things were there.
वो इतना फेमस हो गया था डायलॉग, जब आपने पहली बार उल्टा बोला डायलॉग तो मैं आपको रोकने वाला था, शायद आप गलत बोल रहे हैं.
आप फिर से कुछ,
मैंने देखी है वो पिक्चर. हाँ, पिक्चर तो देखी है ना मैंने. क्या गाने थे, क्या एक्टिंग थी, राजेश खन्ना, पद्मिनी कोल्हापुरी, योरसेल्फ. It was absolutely fantastic. That was the comeback trail of Kaka ji.
Rajesh Khanna also.
Yeah, that Avatar, सौतन, थोड़ी सी बेवफाई.
बीच में काफी पिक्चर में बेचारे की गड़बड़ हो गई थी.
तो सर उनका जब थोड़ी गाड़ी स्लो हो गई, जब बच्चन आ गए थे, तब वो आपके बहुत करीब थे, तो कभी आपसे डिस्कस करते थे कि उनके अंदर क्या हो रहा है?
I could feel that
क्या चल रहा है?
It's difficult for him to digest that failure. Digest for him to accept this position when he was already a top star, topmost star, superstar. But he got frustrated, he just couldn't take it. And then he took to, because he was drinking all right, but he took to drinking badly. हर जगह यही होता है, जब ऐसा बात होती है तो एक्टर जो है या तो ड्रिंक ज़्यादा करता है, या फिर वो खुदकुशी कर लेते हैं, या फिर कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है. Because they can't tolerate what were there, whatever they were there now. But the difference between him and Amitabh Bachchan is, Amitabh Bachchan has accepted. But I'm not the hero of the picture, and I don't take the picture on my shoulders. It is the character I'm doing. And his character is outstanding in every film. He's doing it so well. So, he's getting very central characters. He's doing it. Anyway, he got very, very popular because of this
कौन बनेगा?
Kaun Banega Crorepati. He himself says, he lost a lot of money. He lost the entire thing, company property and all that. Some mistakes were done by some of the people near him. But he got, once you got into it, there was no looking back. Basically, he's a very fine actor.
He walked down from his house to Yash Chopra's house. He walked down from his house to Yash Chopra's house, that lane,
Yeah.
for the role in Mohabbat Hai when he had no work. He
Yes.
wanted to work. He went to
Yes.
Yash Chopra and said, I want work.
Yes, he said, I would. They were tuned up with each other. I believe Amrish Puri was doing that, considered that role.
For Mohabbat Hai.
And then Amitabh Bachchan was more accepted. Anyway, I was not in that film, what is the actual story behind it. But he got a good role. He was recognized, but then he's a very hard-working actor. You see, when he comes on the set before time, and then he works on the character that he's doing. So how set back was casual होते हैं, but inside that they are prepared. That's how the work actor keeps on getting work, he keeps on getting better work and doing better things. All those things happen.
मैं बात कर रहा था आपके स्टाइल की, जो आप जिस अंदाज से बात कर देते हैं. जैसे त्रिशूल में मैंने डिस्कस किया आपके साथ वो सीन जब अमिताभ बच्चन आपके ऑफिस में आता है. तो भी ऐसे क्यों होता था कि कुछ लोग थे, स्पेशली फीमेल्स, दे वर वेरी स्कैर्ड ऑफ यू. दे यूज्ड टू से, अरे प्रेम चोपड़ा शादी में आ गए, या किधर फंक्शन में आ गए तो मैं नहीं आती हूँ. ये क्यों हो गया था?
Because in those days, people are not emancipated in the sense that they would accept a person who's doing a negative role will be doing a positive role. They won't accept it. Positive role because उनका लगता है इन्हें कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ करेगा. But later on now, pictures are being made with the same actor who's played a very negative role and as well as a very positive character. Provided the film is correct and the performances were on time, or so people started accepting this thing. It is a role which matters how he performs. Like Ranveer Kapoor के साथ मेरी picture थी ना, salesman of the
रॉकेट सिंह.
So that picture was accepted very well, and I was playing a character. Then I would do so many films with Yash Chopra films, of course, many films.
Yeah.
And besides that, positive characters, negative characters, I was also doing right side.
मनोज कुमार के शोर में आप नहीं थे. You said you were in all his films.
That was in Shampoo. Possibly there was a role fit for me.
Yeah.
He will not miscast you. He will not take advantage of you. And there were so many actors, top actors who were very keen to work with him. But he had no roles, side roles. मैं वो कहता था यार I feel very embarrassed to offer you this character. But then things kept on going.
He didn't want to give you a side role in that.
Yeah.
There was a very special equation you had with Bindu ji.
Yeah.
You two were always constantly plotting something, कुछ किसी का downfall,
Sure.
किसी का कुछ problem create करना.
Naturally, that was our job. So that is how the Indian stories are made.
Yeah.
It's everywhere in the world, which is a bad guy who makes a narratives. Go ahead. So of course, Bindu is a very dear friend of mine now, and she has. We have done quite a few films together, and our pair was very successful.
Absolutely.
And there were people who wanted to cast both of us in their pictures. and we enjoyed doing work together.
How was it working with Helen ji? Because Helen ji and Vindu ji were almost together in those days.
I mean, she was very cooperative. She's a good artist, and it was very easy to work with her.
I want to ask you one question here, and it is related to Animal again. जो हम आज का हीरो देखते हैं, गुड वर्सेस द इविल, वो एकदम वायलेंट, एग्रेसिव, टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट अब्यूजिव है. और उस टाइम भी थे हीरोज, स्पेशली जब राजेश खन्ना का दौर खत्म हुआ और अमिताभ बच्चन का दौर शुरू हुआ, तो वही था गुड वर्सेस इविल. लेकिन वो इतना
वायलेंट नहीं होते.
चिलम चिली नहीं थी, इतना मैं राइट हूँ, मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं वैसा हूँ. एक बहुत ही इमोशन, सिर्फ नहीं, कॉमेडी भी मैं कहूँगा कि थी. तो ये इतना वायलेंस सर आप देखते हैं,
देखिए यार, देखिए मैं बताऊँ,
तो आपको कैसे लगता है? बिकॉज यू हैव कम फ्रॉम द डेज ऑफ गोल्डन सिनेमा.
yes, you see what I tell you, it's a trend which is followed by the people. The trend is, certain picture is successful, and is successful because of certain reasons. Like some of the pictures have been super duper hits because of the action, because of all those fightings and all that, all those very loud talk, very abuses with each other. And so the trend starts when look at Dhurandhar and all that. Some people liked it, some people didn't like it. But it became a big hit because of the violence in the picture. And some of the for other films too. All films have got action scenes now.
इवन छावा,
हाँ,
छावा जो आई थी विकी कौशल की,
Chava भी आई थी. I didn't see it.
यू सॉ धुरंधर?
Dhurandhar, I saw the first part.
ओके, एंड डिड यू लाइक इट?
It was good. It was good, but it was too lengthy also. But it was right because people accepted that film in a big way. The houses were full. After a long time, people started going to the theatre.
Would you, if asked to direct that movie, tone down the violence and tone down the abuses in that?
But pardon?
अगर आपको उस फिल्म को बनाना हो, फर्स्ट पार्ट कोई जो आपने देखा, क्या आप उसमें वायलेंस और अब्यूजेस टोन डाउन करेंगे?
हाँ, काम जहाँ तक काम का सवाल है, an actor has no that complete faith to say no. If he is given a role, he has to do the justice to that role.
एक्टर के तौर पे आप कह रहे हैं, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि अगर आप वो फिल्म बना रहे हो,
हाँ,
अगर आप डायरेक्टर हो,
डायरेक्टर होते तो वही. I would have also made a film where the trend was being accepted. Because after all, this is a commercial cinema. Cinema is a commercial, like, so those pictures are only sold.
नहीं आप उसमें कम करते, मारधाड़ और गालियाँ कम करते?
That would have been according to the script. I will have to do that. But I could have suggested them.
You would have suggested?
I would have suggested them. We go slow with the abuses of all that sort of things. But sometimes people are very adamant. Oh no, this is how it works nowadays. Because it's difficult to convince them not to do that. Because if you convince them that way and the picture doesn't do well, they will put your blame on you. So, but a different type of cinema is, with the time change, वक्त के साथ साथ हर चीज़ बदलती है.
आपने धुरंधर पार्ट 1 देखी, उसमें आपको ज़्यादा कौन अच्छा लगा? ज़्यादा एक्साइट किसको देखकर आप हुए, रणवीर सिंह या अक्षय खन्ना?
I like Ranveer Singh was a comrade. He was from Autos Club where I go regularly. He was there. He was just trying to get some break in the films. But I was amazed to see him performing in Dhurandhar. Now it's difficult to say who was better than the other. Everybody had his role and everybody tried his best to perform best. No, his role was, Akshay Khanna's role was more of to the audience.
Playing to the gallery.
Acceptance of the audience. Ranveer was, but I believe second Dhurandhar, Ranveer has done a very wonderful job. not anything, Ranveer, सब actor आजकल.
Any regrets in life, Prem Chopra sir? Anything which you feel you wanted to achieve but it kept eluding you?
In fact, I can say one thing. When I came, because I had no job, no place to stay, I knew nobody. So when I was offered any role, I took it up. And some people advised me against it. You have the potentiality of becoming a hero. But as they say, no, beggars are not choosers. So I said, well, I have to get going, and I'm staying in a city which is expensive. I can't go back. So, but I have no regrets now because I did films and I became as popular as anybody else. People accepted me.
So absolutely no regrets.
No regrets.
And your friendship with the Jodi which you had, the quartet actually, not the Jodi, Rakesh Roshan, Sujit Kumar, Prem Chopra, and Rishi Kapoor.
Jatinder.
And Jitendra. 5 rather. So
Yes.
the famous 5. You all used to meet in Jew Club, play cards.
So we all just became friends because our families also got together. The wives, our wives, they got together. So it became a family affair. So things, it was bonded like that. But it was not that you were working with somebody for selfish reason. You had your own work to do and you made your own place and you get the work, you do it. Nobody can get you work here if you don't deserve it. So everybody trying his best to see.
But you created that Sunday for yourself कि नहीं हम पांचों को मिलना है, ताश खेलना है, खाना साथ में खाना है, मस्ती करनी है. आप लोग ने ये नियम बना लिया था संडे को दोस्तों ने.
ये कहा था, we used to make it a point to meet each other very often, but then things got started, drifted away. Everybody became very busy in their own field. Rakesh Roshan became the director. Jitendra got busy with his own production as well as so many films that he was doing.
Yeah, and now he's into construction.
But still, so we meet very quite often, and we talk to each other. We remember the old times. So that's how it is.
The old times. I wish
I
wish they were new.
No way. All the best. All the best. Take care. We wish you the best of luck. Okay.
I don't know how much to thank you and what exactly to tell you that you have spent so much of time with me and you have done really a special favor by sitting with me and talking about your entire life for not just me but so many viewers.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the very kind words, and I wish you all the best for your channel.